Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday morning. Welcome back to another video. I'm gonna do a weekend vlog. We just decided that we're going to go to brunch. It is Saturday and I don't have to work, so that's exciting. And we were gonna go to the gym, but then I kind of wasn't feeling it, and I feel like I've been going to the gym for 6 days a week. A lot. Like the past couple months we've gone every single Saturday. I missed one when I was working, but other than that we go every Saturday. So decided to take a little bit of a break today and take today and tomorrow as a rest day and get some brunch. But first I need to make the bed because I still haven't done that yet. The bed is made. I just cleaned up a little bit. I just body showered, put some lotion on. So now I'm going to get ready. Just put my sweatshirt back on to get ready with you guys. So I'm going to just run the straightener over my hair. This is the straightener that I use. As you can see, it's like insanely old. You can't even read the thing, but it's the BOWMAR titanium. I think this is like the 1-inch one. I've had it for like 100 years and it still works amazingly. It's my all-time favorite straightener. Whenever this one dies, I'm just gonna get the same exact thing because I love it. And then I just need to put some dry shampoo in. So this is the one that I've been using. It's a Clean Freak, but the warm sugar one is the way to go. It smells so good. It smells like vanilla. I like anything vanilla scented. So I'm gonna put some dry shampoo in my hair. I'll probably do that after I straighten though. I find that that works better. And then I'm just gonna put on a little bit of makeup. My makeup that I do is super simple, so nothing special here. For my under eyes, I just use this, what is it, Maybelline concealer. I like it because it has like the little ball pad thing. So I'm just gonna put this under my eyes. And I'm no beauty guru, so I know I don't do stuff right. And then I'm just going to pat that in. And then my concealer that I use is the Tarte Shape Tape, and I use the color Light. So I just like to use these like little spongy things, and I just put the concealer right on there and then cover up any spots that I need to cover. And then for my eyebrows, I just use this NYX Precision Brow Pencil in Taupe. So this is what it looks like. I really like it because I like that it has the brush on the one side, and I will like lightly fill in. My brows honestly like aren't that crazy, so I just have some spots that like are a little bit less hairy, I guess, that I just need to fill in a little bit. Over that, I just use the NYX Clear Brow Gel just to set them and make sure that they don't get all crazy. For my eyes, I really don't do that much. I'll put like a really thin layer of liner on my top lid just to make my eyelashes look a little bit thicker. So this is my current eyeliner. It's almost gone, but I have a new one. So I just use the Lancome pencil in Black Coffee. So it's like a really dark brown. So this is the new one, but I still just have this little guy to finish. And then for mascara, I do a combination of the L'Oreal Voluminous, and I like the curved wand, and the Maybelline Lash Sensational. So I mix these two, and I only use this one on my bottom lashes because of the curved wand. It's just like easier to get to them. But on the top, I do both of these, and I'll do like 2 or 3 coats just depending on how it turns out. Okay, mascara is on, for any of this stuff, like down below, I just use a Q-tip and get it, but I wait until the mascara dries. And then last thing I do is just put some bronzer on. I just use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I love this stuff. I like the color and it smells really good. As you can see, I'm like pretty close to being out. So I just use a brush. I pretty much put it like all over my face. I don't really like contour with it. I'm like not that advanced into makeup to contour my face. I like apply it a little bit heavier in the spots where you would contour, but since my concealer is a little bit lighter, it like sweeps some parts over the rest of my face too. And that is literally all that I do for my makeup. So nothing crazy, nothing special. I'm no beauty guru, but that is it. Very simple. This is the outfit that we have going on right now. So very simple, like always. I have the most simple style ever. So I just have on these mom jeans from Abercrombie. This crop top is from Abercrombie. It's just like a high neck crop, and I do have to fold it because it's like a little bit on the longer side. And then I just have this oversized cardigan, also from Abercrombie, like a million years ago. And then I just can't decide if I want to wear my sneakers or if I want to wear booties. But I think I might just do sneakers because it's more of like a casual kind of vibe. I decided to go with the sneakers just because it's like a casual brunch day, you know? So that's what I did. And then I just have on my gold hoops from Amazon. These two gold rings are from Amazon, and then this one is from Tiffany. Got back, we went to brunch. As you guys saw, I put my food in here, and then we ended up going to Nordstrom Rack, and I just got a couple little things. So I got this little ring. How cute is that? I love it. And then I got this one on my pointer finger too. I think that it just goes well with the other ones. And then I got another cardigan. So it's basically like this one, but it's just like a army green type of color. And then it does have like elbow patches, but they're, you guys can't even see that. Give me a second. But they're like the same color. They're not like the like brown elbow patches. I think that that's probably all we're gonna do like going out wise for today. I was in full college football mode, so doubt we're going anywhere else for the day. So I think I'm going to change back into my comfy sweatshirt instead of my jeans. And then I think I'm gonna start meal prepping and get some of the meal prep out of the way. I'm gonna try to do most of it today, I think, and then tomorrow I won't have any of it to do. Coffee from Starbucks. I did have coffee at brunch as well, but I was gonna get a mimosa because I love a mimosa, but I kind of had a headache this morning and I just wasn't really feeling like drinking alcohol. So that's the plan. And I found more Nooners. So it took me so long to find them in the first place. I know that they were like national shortage of them, but now our like wine and liquor has them. So first time I went, they only had black cherry and grapefruit, so I got those. And I really like the black cherry, and the grapefruit was good, but not my favorite flavor. And then last time I went, they had a variety pack, so I got a variety pack, and then I also got the peach because they had that. So tonight I want to try the peach, the pineapple, and the watermelon, because those are the flavors that I haven't tried yet. So we're gonna try those tonight and see how they are, and I'll give you guys a full review of them. But I do like them way better than like White Claws or Trulies. In general, I like White Claws better than Trulies, but the Nooners are so much better because they're not as like fizzy, so it's easier to drink. Sometimes White Claws just give me like a stomach ache because I feel so like full because of the fizziness of them. So Nooners definitely worth the hype. I just made this like caprese salad type of thing that we can snack on and put with like lunch or whatever. So it is just full pitted black olives, cherry tomatoes cut in half, mozzarella pearls, and then I put some balsamic vinegar in there as well. And then over here in the oven, I have Brussels sprouts cooking with teriyaki sauce, and then there's also like little chicken tenders cooking with teriyaki sauce. Meal prep for today is done, so I just have my jasmine rice cooked. I have this pesto pasta, which is just bow tie pasta, chicken, sun-dried tomato, asparagus, and a little bit of green pesto. So I have it in this big container. This container is huge. And then I have some in a little container, and then I have some teriyaki chicken tenders in here that I just cooked in the oven. And then this is the teriyaki Brussels sprouts. So that is everything for today. After meal prepping, I honestly have just been on my laptop the whole time. So I've been working on some guides, working on putting them together. I didn't get too far in the one, but I got like the whole format down, which is usually the part that takes me the longest. So now I just have to like plug workouts into the format, which is good. So I've literally just been doing that all day. It's almost 5. I'm going to take my makeup off, wash my face, take my hoops out, take my rings off, and then I think I'm gonna have a high noon and watch some Housewives of Beverly Hills while Kyle watches football. And I might make dinner shortly. I can't decide. I'm like still not that hungry. I had the rest of the cinnamon roll that we had from brunch, but other than that I haven't eaten anything else because brunch was like super filling. So that's really all I've had to eat today. But I am going to make dinner at some point. I'm just not sure when, but when I do, I'll show you guys because I'm very excited. I'm making like a stuffed chicken breast kind of meal. So I've never made anything like it, but I'm excited and I really hope it just turns out well. I have my high noon. This is the peach one. I do like it, but I think I like black cherry better. So I'd say black cherry, peach, then grapefruit so far. But I still have to try watermelon and pineapple. But anyways, I'm making dinner and I'm trying a new recipe. So I'm trying like a stuffed chicken breast. So I just made this like broccoli cheddar mixture. So it's cream cheese, broccoli, and shredded cheddar cheese. I have extra, so I don't really know what to do with this. I might put it in like a little dish and just bake it, I guess. I don't really know. I think I might just throw it in anyway. And then these are the chicken breasts. So I just like sliced them in half, and then inside I put salt, pepper, and paprika. And then I stuffed it with the broccoli mixture, toothpicked it to keep it together. And then you just stick it in the pan for a little bit. So I still have these two in here. I'm going to take them off. So you just stick them in a pan for like a little bit to just get it like a little bit cooked on the outside, I guess. I'm following a recipe from Pinterest, like halfway following it. But you stick it on the pan for a little bit just to like brown it a little bit. I don't really know the technical term. And then you stick it in the oven. So I just have the oven on, was preheating to 375. So once that is done, then I'm going to stick these in the oven. But first, I think I'm going to put like some salt and pepper and paprika on the outside of it too, just so that the oven's preheated, just so that the outside has some flavor too. And then you stick it in the oven for like 15 to 20 minutes. And then for a side, I'm just making this chicken and broccoli flavored pasta. I love these things. When I was little, I used to have these literally all the time. I would make them myself from like after school. Before I went to gymnastics, I had like a million of these different like rice and pasta packets. My favorite one was always a teriyaki, and I would eat a whole pack before I went to practice. So I've had these forever and they're really good. They're quick and easy and just like a good little side dish, and I just wanted it. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna stick this in the oven now and I'll show you guys what it looks like after. This is taking longer than I thought it was going to. I put the oven up to 425 and it's been in for like a while. So I don't know if you need to like sear it in the pan for longer instead of just like browning it, but I don't know. So now it on 425, it's still in, it's almost done. I did make the pasta, so the pasta is ready and in here, and then I did do, that's hot. I did do the rest in just like a, I don't have like any other pans. I need to get like smaller like baking pans, but I just put it in like a banana bread tin and did the rest of the broccoli in there, put some cheese over it. It's actually really good. I just tried it, so we'll probably do a little bit of that with it. And then the chicken, ooh, foggy. The chicken is very close to being done finally. So once that is done, I will show you guys the final product of it. And for the high noon of the watermelon is really, really good. It is my favorite flavor so far. So flavor ranking currently is watermelon, black cherry, peach, and then grapefruit. So I think the only one I have left to try is the pineapple, which I have in the fridge, and I think that's it. I have like a collection of them over here because it took me so long to find them that now that they have them in the store, I just got a lot, which is crazy because they are like really expensive. But I have 2 of the peaches, and then I got 2 variety packs. We have the finished product. It looks really good, actually. I'm excited. Here's the rest of the chicken. They look good. I'm excited. Hopefully it tastes good. Sunday morning, I literally just woke up. I still have like morning voice. But I'm going to have my greens and my collagen and my essentials. On the weekends, this is what I've been doing. I've been having them like before I have anything else. So I'm gonna mix that together. I've also been doing it like a little bit different than I have in the past. So I don't put like everything together like you're kind of supposed to with the clear skin cocktail. I've been doing the greens and the collagen on its own and chugging that, and then sipping on my essentials on its own so I can like really taste the flavor. But I've been using the old greens, which is this one. And it has more of like a banana flavor, and I like the lemon flavor a lot better. I think it mixes better with like the other essentials and everything, so that's why I just use this one with the collagen to like kind of chug it, because it's not my favorite flavor, but I have it and I don't want to waste it. Just gonna mix this up.